Welcome back. This is Ramats and it's me, Priska Joseph. Dear students, yesterday we discussed first question from the exercise 1.1. So today we are discussing question number 2 from the same exercise 1.1. Before moving into our classes, if you are watching my channel, please subscribe it and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications. Your comments are valuable for me, so please comment below. Okay, so now let's start. So the question is, find the HCF and LCM of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of numbers. Okay, we have to find out HCF and LCM of this pair of numbers and to verify that the relation LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Okay, so this is the question. So now the first question is, first one is 26 and 91. Okay, so what are the factors of 26? What are the factors of 26? We can easily say that it is 2 into 13. Okay, so 2 and 13 are the factors of 26. And next one is 91. What are the factors of 91? Okay, so first we have to divide this 91 with the 7 and we get 1 7 is 7, 2 is the now 21, 3 7s are 21. Okay, so 13 and 1. So factors of 91 is 7 into 13. Okay, so factors of 26 is 2 times 13 and 91 is 7 and 13. Okay, so now what is LCM? LCM is the product of all factors with highest power. Okay, so 2 is there, 7 is there, 13 is there. Okay, so now 7 times 2 is 14, 14 into 13. What is 14 into 13? 14 into 13, 4 times 3 is 12, 1 3 is 3, 1 4 is 4, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8, 1 1 is 8. 182. Okay, now what is HCF? HCF is the common factors with lowest power. Okay, so what is HCF? See, 13 is the common factor between these two numbers. Okay, so HCF is 13. Okay, did you get me? Actually, this is very simple. Okay, so HCF is 13 and LCM is 182. Now, we have to verify the relation LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Okay, so first the product of two numbers. Okay, product of two numbers is equal to 26 into 91. So let's multiply these numbers. That is 26 into 91. 1 6 is 6, 1 2s are 2, 9 into 6 54, 54 plus 2 56, remaining 5 is the 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 5 23. Okay, now product of LCM and HCF. What is it? Product of LCM and HCF, that is equal to 13 into 182. Okay, 182. So let's multiply. That is 182 into 13. 3 2s are 6, 24. 2 is the 1 3 is 3 plus 2 5, 2 8 1 6 6 8 plus 5 13 2. Okay. See, we get the product of two numbers are 2366. Similarly, the product of LCM and HCF is also 2363. Okay, 2666. So, thus we verified that the relation LCM into HCF is equal to product of these two numbers. Okay. Hope it is clear for you. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. So let's move on to the next question. Okay. Now the second part of the question is 5, 10 and 92. So we have to First, we have to find out the factors of these two numbers. Then we have to verify the equation LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Okay, so 510. We have to factorize this number first. Okay, so 510. Let's factorize with 5, 1, 0, 2. Again with 2, we get 51. Now 3 is there. 1 3 is 3, again 21, 7 3s are 21. Okay, so 17, 1. So what are the factors of 510? Which is 5, 2, 3 and 17. Okay, that is 5 into 2 into 3 into 17. Okay, now 92 is there. Okay, so let's factorize 92. That is 2 is there, 46 is there, again 2, 28, 23. Okay, so 23, 1. So factors of 92 are 2, 2 and 23. So let's multiply these factors like 2 into 2 into 23. Okay, so what is HCF in this case? HCF. What is HCF? HCF is the product of all common factors with least power. So which are the common factors in these two numbers? Common factors. There is only a single factor is common, that is 2. Okay, here it is 2 and here it is 2 into 2, that is 2 square. So which will be considered? We consider 2. Okay, least power. Common factor with the least power. So HCF is equal to 2. Okay, clear? Now, let's find out LCM. What is LCM in this case? Okay, LCM is the product of all factors with highest power. Okay, so LCM is equal to 5 is there into 2 is there. Here it is 2 and here 2 square. Which one will be considered? 2 square should be considered. Okay, 2 square into 3 is there and 17 is there and 23 is there. Okay. Okay. Anything else? No. Okay. So let's multiply these numbers. That is 5 into 2 square. What is 2 square? It is 4. That is 5 into 4 is 20. 20 into 3 is 60. Okay. So 60 into 17 into 23. So let's multiply. That is 17 into 23. 7 times 3 is 21. 2 is the 1 into 3. 3 plus 17 into 2, 4. 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. 1 is the 1 into 2. 2 into 1. 1 into 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 391. Okay. So 60 into 391. So let's multiply. 6, 1 6 is 6, 9 6 are 54, remaining 5 is there, 6 times 3 is 18, 18 plus 5, 23, 0 is there. Okay, so 23,460. This is the LCM of the two numbers, that is LCM of 592 is 23,460. Okay, hope it is clear for you. Dear children, for the multiplication and division, for any operations in mathematics, you need to study multiplication table at least up to 50. If you learn multiplication table very well, then all the calculation will be very simple. Okay, so try to learn multiplication table up to 15. Actually, this is not an easy process. You have to spend 20 minutes daily for the multiplication table. Okay, so that's it. So now let's verify the equation. What is that? LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Okay. So what is LCM into HCF? LCM into HCF. LCM into HCF is equal to, LCM is 23,460 and HCF is 2. Okay, so what will be the answer? We can simply find out the answer. Why? Because 2 times of any number can be written very easily. Okay, so 0 is there, 6 times 2, 12, again 1, 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 3 times 2, 6, 2 times 2, 4. Okay, 46,920. Now, the product of two numbers, which are they? 5, 10 and 92. So, let's multiply 51 into 92. 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 9, 10 plus 9, 19, remaining 1, 9 plus 5, 45 plus 1, 46, and 0 is there. Okay, so 46,920. See, that both the answers are same. Okay, so thus the equation is verified. Okay, that is LCM into HCF is equal to product of numbers, product of two numbers. Okay, so 510 and 92. Okay, clear? So now let's move on to the third sub-question. Now the third sub-question is 336 and 54. Okay, so first we have to factorize 336. Okay, now let's start with 2. 1 2 is 2, 13, 6 2s are 12, 8 2s are 16. Now again with 2, 8, 4. Okay, again with the 2 we get 4, 2. Now 2, 21, 3 and 7. Okay, factors of 336 is 2, 3, 7. Okay, so let's try 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 2 to the power 4 into 3 into 7. Next one is 54. Okay, what is 54? 54, 2, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. Okay, so 2 into 3 to the power 3. Okay, so these are the factors of 336 and 54. Now, what is HCF? HCF is the highest common factor, product of common factors with the least power. Okay, so 2 is there, 3 is there. Okay, so 2 into 3, which is 6. So 6 is the HCF of these two numbers. Okay. Now, what is LCM? LCF is the product of all factors with highest power. Okay, so 2 to the power 4, here 2 to the power 4 and 2. So we consider 2 to the power 4 into here 3 to the power 3, here it is 3. So we consider 3 to the power 3. Again 7 is there. Okay, anything else? No. So 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 3 into 7. What is 2 to the power 4? It is 16. Okay, 16 into 3 to the power 3. What is 3 to the power 3? Which is 27 into 7. Okay, so let's get multiply. That is 16 into 27. 7 times 6 is 42. 4 is the 7 plus 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 7 19. 19 plus 4 23. 2 is there. 1 times 2 2. 2 plus 2 4. 432 into 7. Okay, 7 times 2 40. 7 times 3 21 plus 1 22. 2 is there. 7 times 4 28. 28 plus 2 30. 3024. Okay, so this is the LCM of the number. Okay, now let's verify the equation. A product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Okay, so what are the product of two numbers? Product of two numbers, that is 336 into 54. Okay, So 336 into 54. 6 times 4, 24, 2 is there, 3 times 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14 is there, 1 is there, 3 times 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 30. 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 3, 15 plus 3, 18 plus 1. 5 times 3, 15 plus 1, 16. 4, 8 plus 3, 11. 7 plus 1, 8, 1, 6. Okay. 6, 1, 8, 1, 4, 4. Okay, this is the product of two numbers. And now let's multiply let's find out product of HCF and LCM. That is 3024 into 6. 6 times 4, 24. 2 is there. 6 times 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 1 is there. 6 times 3, 18. Sorry, the product of two numbers are 18144. Okay, 18144. And here 3024 into 6, the same answer will get. Okay, that is product of LCM and HCF, that is 3024 into 6, which is 18144. See, both the answers are same. Hence, we verified the equation, the product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Okay, so to complete the second question, in the next class we will discuss the remaining questions. Do practice all these questions very well. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. And remember one thing, practice the multiplication table very well. Learn multiplication table very well and practice all the solved and unsolved questions very well. Okay, so that's all for the day. Thank you. Have a nice day.